Hello guys, my name is Ashish and let's explore the Struct in Solidity, and after that we'll be knowing how to use the array in Solidity. Okay, so let's first make a file called example.sol, and this is the license and this is Pragma Solidity, and then this is the version 0.8.0, and we need to start with contract, and this is example. So I just want to mention that if you're already familiar with C language, then you already knew what is Struct. So basically Struct is going to help us to implement our own data type. Okay, and in this talk we can use various type of data type at once, okay, to implement our own data type. So let's first implement a student data type, okay, which will contain three things. First one is student name, then student age, and ID for that student. Okay, so let's first declare the start keyword itself, struct, and then name student, and then I'm gonna specify integer type ID, then unsigned integer age, because age will be always positive, and then string type name. Okay, and first of all we need to declare this data type. So student, I'm just taking the name small student. Okay, and I'm also making this as public so that we can able to see the value in student. Okay, so I'm now using a constructor to initialize this value. So constructor, and so first of all we just need to specify the variable name, and we need to use the dot. So student dot id, student id will be, let's say, 1, student dot age, let's say 20, student dot name, let's say Solidity. Okay, so that is the way to initialize, and simply let's deploy this using the deploy button, and you can see the success log, and this is the result. So click on student, you can see this ID is 1, age is 20, and name is Solidity. Now let's make it more interesting, and yeah, so now I'm gonna see how to use array in the Solidity language. Okay, so let's make an array. Okay, so yeah, we can make an array using the square bracket. So now this is the array of student type. Okay, so this is the data type, and this is the array of student data type. Okay, now let's we'll be making two functions. Okay, one is to add a new student, and another one is to get the information about a student. Okay, so okay, for that we are going to take integer count is -1, so that first of all we don't have any students, so this is -1 number of student. It counter is going to help to to know how many student we have in this array. Okay, now let's function. Okay, one more thing, I just want to make this as public so that we can able to see outside of the smart contract that how many student we have. Let's make function call add student. Okay, and add student is going to take two parameters. Okay, one is age and another one is name, and will be automatically handle the ID with the help of count. Okay, so first of all unsigned is age, and then string type, and for string type we need to specify the memory keyword for the local copy, and the name is name. Okay, and we need to specify the public keyword so that we can able to use this function outside of smart contract. Okay, and we have a special method push to add elements in array. Okay, so student dot push, and then use the data type student, and basically this is working as a object or class in other language if you're familiar with JavaScript, Java. Okay, So first of all we just need to declare this, we just initialize this value by order. Okay, we just need to follow this order. First of all id, then age, then name. So yeah, for id we already said that we'll be using count. So first of all we have -1, so first of all let's increment the count plus plus and then use count. First of all this will work as id, then our age, then name. Okay, so this is the way to initialize, I mean this is the way to push an element, okay, to our array. Okay, so let's make another function name get student. Okay, get, and basically it will also take a single argument of unsigned integer type to provide, it will provide basically the index. Okay, index, so that we can get any student with the help of this index from this array. Okay, and we need to specify the public keyword to access outside of smart contract, and basically we want to read a value, right? So for that we also need to use the view keyword, and we want to return, so that's it, returns, and we want to return student type, so student, and we need to specify also memory keyword so that we can able to use local copy. So let's return student of this index. Okay, of this index. So that is the thing. Okay, now let's deploy this. Click on deploy and you can see the success log, and this is our result. Okay, so yeah, you have now you are able to see this is the three buttons this is providing us. So this is count. Now if we just click on count, then this is -1, basically we don't have any student. Okay, now let's first of all add student. Okay, so first of all we just need to provide the age. So let's take age is 20, and second we need to specify the name. Let's take any name, let's take Ashish, and then let's add this student. Okay, you can see the success log here. Okay, this is success log, and now if I click on count, you can see this is 0 because it's incremented by 1. And if I just want to know the student at 0 index, then get index, you can see this is the id 0, age is 20, name is Ashish. Yeah, we can add also another things, like let's take someone who have age 22. Let's take name is Shayon. Okay, and now add this student. Let's add another student containing age 18 and name is Ronnie, and then add this student. You can see the success log. And next if we just click on count, we can see we have 2 students. Basically we have 3 students started from 0, so 0 1 2. So if we just get want to get information about the student standing at index 2, then just get element. We can see this is the student name is Ronnie and containing the age 18 and having the id 2. Okay, so that is the thing we need to explore today. Okay, so I think you enjoy the video, and this is the way we can use array and struct as to make our own data type. Okay, so thank you for watching, and yeah, let's bye bye and see you very soon.